2016 no yo Muhammad bi ye no sabre no hanso mining ye kwachi ni mfidie nyina ema make say o de asem ne court ema court ebu a chema wontumi bim say yentua 1 billion enfama no $1 billion enfama no say sika no abra judgment ne bae no na MPP wa ban na chema wontumi say ono an party wa ban mu o ka so kwaji sa judgment debt ne pa ye be ka say MPP for na afọ man sika de ma no na wan kwaji but egusu da ho judgment data NDC aban under John Mahama ehye chema untumi fidie na chema untumi ewini sa case no editi aban enti John Mahama se ababiem na chema untumi no anso ni se nia etuni enya kwa bibi edi akire wotan ene di akire se ye tan no ye chema NDC for especially era John Dramani Mahama wotan enti ne atuni enya na wonwa Timpa bo na ebebo se nyambe beba na hoden a ode be ko saa kun e de akosi ase na obeye nkunimdifo omo pa sadia atene je na eken manager eji akasa asam na ebedi ni tentem omo pa wo kyeranko a omo fa chema huntumi nkoto afiase e wonsam ohu nyambe ka ne ho obetena ase na wakanyame emaniye eni nyame na nyunyama wasasi so ebi amunya yanka wawu kra se na menim se bi kra nka ndre se ye de be sa homa so e wo court anim ho no mana ye de na san dua no so ho ne yakuna firi wias na fe o man bo adwo nanso until sa mo ntimi nya ne sa no chema wontumi e be firi sa de mu aba yenim se e yotan hunu yenim obi anim se e ye otan hunu na endra na me dwi ne ma bi hu a na me se ne man so wo ho paawo because Endra and then answer and and say that was last week and CID boss a friend chema to me a catcher chema to me say even here no police station Monday and a chema to me lawyer and the appear could be say what to coin and your person omra a year Monday na a brother on any client no aba Emma CID boss ejitu ya hu ne yeye na attorney general Emma order Abraham Mampani Mahama Asia CSUS no tena say lawyer and the appear kubi ojai be nia oye bia na oba na ojaye na obaye but o mo check Facebook no man say Emma minim say YouTube say Facebook bi complain mo check man say nyina ho a oka na che ojai nia oye bia na obaye ejo court a police for juara no ya se endra brother ya de court etimi so mehwehwe mu kakra no na se entrance so no MPP for National Executive Committee meeting next meeting amu wi a na endra so National Council meeting ho na sa National Council meeting no very crucial because ye dey kwhwe the approval of presidential aspirants any niam bia e party na nimu party no edi hu djuma no Ejama to me so and a chairman of the regional chairman. A MPP regional chairman in Nano, on the regional chairman. Now, our very strong voice, our neck, and the National Council. A general neck, the National Council meeting, of course, no, chairman to me and me and Kobe because not our court. And I was wondering, say, about the same attorney general, not all insist to say, a day yarn and me pay to me. Adena or is it to prevent my own to me from attending the National Council meeting and I send a list here. General net meeting went to me and Kobe. National Council meeting went to me and Kobe because now our court. And name also a court. Now me and me want me see the court to nyam was of any penny who be. I say about to soon be nyawa, mean your nephew of Yedipa. And to me, a cost you know, and Yamma went to radio stations. I had to tum, ni say, and Yamma say, if Yedipa any movie. Na said the TB and said and triple dia anka ne pen mu no enka konfonsem e wuntumi okọ ye jeli ne kura no a onko wo ho na say bia ko bia ba dan agwada pinum nyina say ye yiyomo enye chachuchikata wonko je mai omo nyina akọ aba enya se Mandela ekobai ebedi president encheba wuntumi is not the first and he won't be the last to go there but so ya NDC ni na ya ma post na hu san crofo church nsem Facebook me say bodate kane no eya na date of birth ni ye tro dan ho ewa kura so no ye tro ba bi ensuo nka ti bodate na tro ba bi ensuo nka se MPP no a ebetwa mu Andekufuado no it is gone, it is dead and gone. MPP no a eba Andekufuado a na humobro ene ayemuye ahye ne ma na enunti NDC MPs 32 ebo krono double salary egidi here for 4 years or the different bank account ekoa no different bank account koa na mo gi sika ne di ya na Akufuado kan say enya fe see at democracy mu a ye be sa NDC MPs 32 line on betimi akọ jail enti media chamo mo fa me hunkodi a mo papa ache no sa MPP no is dead and gone. Sa MPP no a na ye muye ahye ne ma enunti enkrofo bobo krono a emukwa papa ache banking sector clean up ne ade ne ye papa ache ne ade no it is dead and gone. The next NPP government ebe ban se arinade obia wa ban mu no kai hunu say the day of accountability will also come. Omo amani abe a omo ye mampani nuanom na ye toto aba enkrofo private ne government by gold mines ne ade ye ni abre a ye fom nuvuduvudu no. The next MPP government no sabe na mahama okwadu okosi unuanom sabe no eye former president odne kokoto a enye yiyi se bia wa ade bia boroso enti abre a wo feel the heat no na jo mahama wada enti na wani age say ye de wuntumi fa sa kwan yi so a ye de bill 25 million Ghana cedis atone so say eme no dra sales a obani edabi ba o yire ba hutu edabi be ba wo so o yire be ko papa na the next MPP government no me say ye nya ne sa afie say and opening ko a atufo si case members of parliament anomudi anim ne party o ma no enti next obi a ibehu se bia no ebebo odin yeti a be odin ama grassroots fo aba ofie no ma be discipline so ho se o structure justice enti MPP aban ebeba no ye nya ne se biem enne galam se ekoso e wo maimu a che se me ka say galam se ya ekoso enne no eye unprecedented ebi nsi da enna ne de wo mu ni se we di adanse wo ho we di adanse e wo ho enya hearsay. This is the first time a sitting member of parliament na himfo o ma hini akasa aboda ni waku odwan aya amamere wo ni tire so. The same time on Numri Forest any time on Anua Forest na yes chema untumi ama nkrofo akom so mo nkwa adwuma bro mo ni permit no. The same forest na nanoma himfo wa win say NCMP for our win Oscar Oforilabi oji 300,000 and 200,000 and nkrofo kokwaye nim ekoye mining. Yes what gang emedu baby ni gang fund crowd buani somewhere February ho baby o say January ho baby eme ekuni pa kra wa win ho. John Mahama ese onte Attorney General say onte the same ayo look the same thing as say ma untumi sa forest no tano Numri Forest and tano Ania Forest no NDC MP yes what ya no and na wo twetwa oton enti mu bewura mu a na waje 300,000 na waje 200,000 na mu bewura mu akwakwa galamsey enyem na meka eye Awin Traditional Council and na eka NDC for na nanom ye press conference NDC for say wo kakra na ye mo ye nti obia e na mo born abaso e na ye the vice chairman the security and intelligence committee e wo parliament Awin MP no and na make us say or a vice chairman security and intelligence committee e wo parliament ba won to me die ni yese ye fa ne ko gina mranim Enyahwe and na make us say Abanga Yakubu and Joseph Yami police force somewhere Attorney General say our credible information and some Attorney General befa pen na wa track rata na odi ahyem say credible reliable and credible information no Attorney General enye nkola office you the only ministry a yebodi wo constitution mu ni ye kire nipa ko a obetimi occupy sa institution no the only institution the Attorney General's office onipa occupy sa institution no oyo bi a ba mra na wa bin wo mu unless e bi o pese o ye politics se oso de mra be ye adwuma wa bin obi anim Dominica ye ni obi anim so wa bin unless se o pese o si mra ni ti ase na o de ye politics tiono a na fa pen obi amono obi a se no eno tro krata akoma yokufo se NDC national organizer NDC national vice chairman our credible and reliable information say they are deeply involved in Galamsey. And Yokufo and Frewomo, Besina Yokufo ntimi Fred Joseph Yamini Abanga Yakubu. And that combining areas now DC back on there's so two go to Galamsey saying no better to Minister Bosuni from DC somewhere. And man Crawford Castle or Yagalamsey no or Consona Tiffy. And oko jina ye video say yesi mi ye galam say mi nso nani ase mo hwe nso ni masabianom ade achi na Erastus Asaredonko every video ne bae nso na se onyina wa se ho nyina NDC Erastus and the best posing no NDC and wa ban mu NDC constituency chairman and your executives NDC DCs and penifo and na e2 galam say e wo Ghana ha sei baja ontumi na nasem ono na se ye a na ye pese ye ni se nim en anopai mituche de ma owura sanyo hosi wa che se oye a true patriot se okun Galamsey and Akufo-Addo breso no ene sanyo hosi ano din na ye and Akufo-Addo no omre na no ase ene owura Martin friend saying Kenashigbe ono so no he's still pushing ni dey na kakakra na Martin Kpebu de afre de waja kasa Galamsey Martin Kpebu adabia na yanchi wuntumi no I am waiting say meti Martin Kpebu ka say obes kasa yanchi a win MP no enti ayi ye domase no credit ya mesi ye chema wuntumi nie ya charge o Oscar Labi wunsu nie ya charge o obi efesi mrana ne ehun sa tentere ni eye adwuma na nya atentia because ekoyese wo ya NPP ni a emra ni obedi wo ya NDC ni dia emra ni wuni wo immunity under the laws of Ghana na kanya wonwa se japa a kopi o court se yayi na di e o kwan abone so Ghana Armed Forces mu ene ono na enya ne ho e di Attorney General former Attorney General na ko CID ama CID for so afre no me ka say there is a petition before the CID against Richard Japa and Justice Emmanuel Yeni Kolondi. We are waiting patiently near trend that CID for be frame Justice Emmanuel Yeni Kolondi na ma frame Richard Japa na ma ba be yi o ma no we are waiting say because kame ko say we and this need dia emra ni wuni. And the same petition, the same case a Richard Japa, edi ho asem court, CID tia adameno. Obi so ediamo forata, edi petition accord the same case, edi tia Richard Japa, any Justice Emmanuel Yeni Kolondi. I make her say, almost a week ni, egusu the CID for table so. Ye train, ni ya sheda, CID for ebe fre. Ye person mo de be se kukuam. Now my be issue statement say, "Oh my friend Justice, and now my friend Richard Japa." We are waiting. We are also waiting. Said that petition one, ye dear Mampeni Mahama no, ye tried down for Sukwa Chibet trust statement. Abba say, Mampeni Mahama, I refer Justice. You only calling the petition no, Eddie Chief Justice. Now watch him. Ghana, and animal farm. Ghana, and animal farm. You say rule of law no. Any justice no, it must not only be done, but it must be seen. As a Ghana phone in a yanu say ampa attentrani a ye juma. The visa jama about a year. No one that said judge no or describing it perfectly say this a clear case of animal farm. Emuni away. Animal farm. Unia wanyun kuruma udinina who go football bo unia woman ye paso. Unia nimodia and the obu a musa anona ekosu ti ye twen eda NDC aban ede Oscar Labi num ebe court eda NDC aban if they will not even invite them no do court and they shouldn't take Ghana for fools say omofo say Ghana for agiminti ye chiche ma wontumi ne da bomfu to Ghana for ani Ghana for say enough of the wontumi case enough what wontumi match no action ha wontumi ya 10 billion or 100 billion cedis enchama wontumi be onko a yagye ama no kwa beye 1 trillion chema wontumi kwa ho bail nko a yagye ama no kwa beye 1 trillion because ye pese ye di bail na kesa se de beye a onya bail no odafi ase chema wontumi bail nko a yagye ama no wo CID ene yoku no almost 1 trillion cedis oni baba akope but Ghana for ahunu say enough of the wontumi. When are you inviting Oscar Labi, the Galamsey campaign? When are you inviting Joseph Yami, and Yakubu Abanga? When are you inviting the NDC DCs and NDC ministers? Until then, you say a witch hunt against Mawuntumi. Now, Sadia, John Mahama, etu nanisi Wuntumi so in the first term, no, sa no person or yen sabri so. But Ghana for a wide awake, Ghana for hunu, Ghana for ati, na Ghana for air share. So on the share, boss, Ghana say campaigns no, or bet you munina. Campaigns, you want to buy mono, 1 2 or more, not from Nina Quanso, or any sapa, yen ni asem, if I be boy some Ediamano, so why you need until then, dear. You say your time